HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand linear and nonlinear relationships. Here we have a scatter plot of wealth and happiness for a large set of countries. As the wealth increases, the happiness of the country also increases. We can measure the correlation between the two variables in a number of ways. We can measure the correlation between the two variables with a linear measure. The red line shown is the line that best fits the points. This red line is defined by the linear equation on the right. Although this red line captures the general trend of increased wealth being related to increased happiness, there is still a lot of error in the linear fit because many of the points are pretty far away from the line. The blue curve is defined by the nonlinear equation on the right. Notice how the blue curve does a better job of fitting the points, because there is less distance between the points and the blue curve. The equation on the right is more complicated than the linear equation. The main problem with fitting points with a nonlinear equation is related to how the curve is created. Because there are so many possible nonlinear curves, it is almost always possible to create a nonlinear curve that fits points better than a line. Researchers need to justify why a particular curve was used, based on an understanding of how the two variables are measured. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses, by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.